Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to find WhatsApp account number and username. So if you have a WhatsApp account and now you are wondering to know your account number and username, here's how to do it. First of all, I want to say that in WhatsApp, here is no option to create or find WhatsApp username. In Facebook and Instagram, we can create our username, a unique username for our account, but in WhatsApp here is no option to create username. So you can add your mobile number in WhatsApp and people will be able to find you in WhatsApp using your number. And now if you want to see your number you used to create your WhatsApp account, first of all go to your WhatsApp app. And from your WhatsApp home screen, tap on this three dot and just tap on settings. And at the top of this settings page, here you will find your WhatsApp account number. And also here you will find your WhatsApp account name. And remember one thing, that this name is not your WhatsApp username. It's normal name. People won't be able to find you using this name. So this is how we can find our WhatsApp number. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.